This can be a little bit of a different type of video. Part of it's from the screen share. We just had a live screen share probably 2 hours ago in the group. And I just want to share some of the ideas because the United States get kicked off Kucoin, right? And so what are we going to do to make life-changing money? And here is the explanation. July 9th already, 2023. Bitcoin halving is coming. The Bitcoin halving run up is going to be amazing. Say we get 50, 60, 70% gains out of that. Typically it sells off before the halving. And then you get a good reversal pattern on the daily. And then it continues higher. And that's just historical data. That's what it's done. But this isn't the stock market. We don't have 100 years of historical data to go on, right? And then the news is the X factor. Real quick, shout out to Andrew. He said, my dad made $1.3 million in 2020 bull run off your videos and recommended me to join this group. That's what this is about, man. I don't do this. I should be on vacation in Tahiti, just like chilling. He made $1.3 million. Look at the chat box. Like, are you kidding me? We've created hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of millionaires in this group, and we will continue to do so. The method on how we do so may change, but at the core, we're going to nail the bangers. We always do. We find the money flow. So as an example, where this is leading to is top 100 coins. This is CoinMarketCap. You look at the top 100 coins, you sort it by top gainers over the last 7 days by percentage of the top 100 coins. Bone, Shiba Swap, 37%. Everything else, single digit gainers. Like you get down to here, not even a page down, everything's down. Everything is down. The market, shorting the market right now is exponentially more profitable than spot longs. That's why we created the leverage group, where you click here on you go to cryptorev.net, go join the leverage group. We're going to hold your hand. We're going to walk you through the trades, and you're going to pay for the fees, and you're going to change your life forever. This is where the money's at. This is the gem pick bangers right now. This is it. You know, a lot of people are like, oh, I don't know about trading leverage. I'm scared of it. But they have an account on MEXC. You definitely need to make an account on MEXC. Use the group link and you get half price trading fees. MEXC has been, and I just reached out to the team, 30 Bitcoin in and out. Will those coins, will money move from Kucoin to MEXC? It's possible. Remember, these small caps that just come off of the DEXs, that's where you get your 20, 30, 40, 50x gainers, 100x gainers. XRP had 1 year, we're at 300x in a year, 30,000%. XRP is heavy now. It's not gonna 300x. Doesn't make sense. You know how much money it would take to 300x XRP? Get into the small caps. When you have a small bag and you make your money hit the biggest multiples, and we'll find those and we'll nail those. But yeah, MEXC has been amazing because it could be the next Kucoin. If the money moves there, all the little small caps right now, you know, the liquidity is not amazing. But if you go to MEXC, I'm sorting by top gainers, 191%. Now, market caps are tiny, right? $1,000 pumps a coin. But that's how Kucoin started. When I first joined Kucoin, I put $500, which at that point was a decent amount of money to me. I put $500 there. I checked it 2 weeks later and it tripled. Dude, I'm a trader. This is easy. This is easy. So on MEXC, 187%, 161%, 50, 69, 62, 58, 56, 52, 43. I mean, tons of double digit gainers. So we need to adjust and understand, if you are trying to throw $20,000 or $40,000 at one of these coins, you'll be trading against yourself because you will pump them and you will pay higher prices and you won't be able to get out of the trade. And so if you have smaller bags, then you're looking at smaller cap coins, right? Now, whales slowly accumulate in accumulation phase. You guys understand what I'm saying? Like, this could be, because MEXC, I mean, they're adding tons of coins. It's a lot. I don't know how much it is. It's a lot. They have a ton of coins, right? And this is spot. And the fees, half price trading fees with our link, 30 Bitcoin in and out per day. Most important thing to understand, and I wanted to drive home with you, is we are going to adapt and overcome happening in the market. Life, now think about this. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you deal with it. Let me give you an example. Had a YouTube channel, got deleted, lost everything, gone. Had a few YouTuber friends that have 500,000 followers, million followers. And they're like, hey, he renamed his channel and he back on YouTube and here's where you can find him. And the channel took off. Very grateful for that. If I would have just gave up and went and got a job, then what? We wouldn't be having this conversation. Think about this. If every single thing, good or bad, that has happened in your life hadn't happened exactly as it has, we wouldn't be having this exact conversation right now. Everything happens for a reason. I call it $1 million mind. You set your own limits. You can do anything. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you are right. If you think you can't leverage trade, yeah, you're right. You're right. If you think you can leverage trade, you're right. Because you put the work in and you get it done. I put things out into the universe and I make them happen. My list of goals on a personal level, check it off, check it off, check it off, check it off, check it off. It's getting ridiculous. I don't even believe this is my life. This is my calling. Helping people, not about the money, it's about the freedom. Helping people free themselves from the 9 to 5. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm dedicated to give 110% over the next year and a half bull market, FOMO, mania, rally, run up. And we're going to kill it, period. Right now, leverage trading is the moneymaker. And you guys can tell, like, dude, I'm passionate about this. Because I want you guys to have the exact same thing that I have. Freedom. You open your eyes up every day and you can do whatever you want. That's what life's about. It's not about sipping coffee, sitting in traffic. I made up my mind with an assistant, like, I'm never, ever going to do laundry again. I don't want to cook food again. I don't want to do it. I'm going to hire somebody and let them do it for me. And I am going to concentrate on what I do best. Just hope you guys can feel the passion that I have for you guys and this group, because teamwork makes the dream work. This wouldn't be possible without the amazing, when I say amazing, capital amazing admins that we have in the group that care about your success, truly care about your success. You're not going to find that anywhere. Very grateful to have you guys in my life. You play an important role. You give me purpose. I'm grateful for it. Now, this is a Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Bitcoin has been working in this range, and if it loses the range, and it would be perfect for the elite traders to shake out the weak hands, the new money, right? Smart money shakes it out, and then they buy it back at these levels, right? You have this support, right? These order blocks, right? And so you see these pullbacks, and they would be buy ideas for the smart money. If this thing breaks lower, you want to short Bitcoin. right? Join the leverage group. It's no brainer, pays for itself. This is an idea where the price action on the hourly is still just moving sideways. The Bitcoin daily chart, you really want to see another drive higher, right? This is a slightly higher high, but if it were to come down here and then put it in another drive higher, still be bullish, because you'd have your high, your low, your high, technically higher high and a higher low, and then you put in another higher high. You just don't want to see this thing break down, because then it's dump city, start all over. Got some amazing shout outs to give my trading group. Leverage Trading Group is killing it. Gentleman said, my dad made $1.3 million in 2020 in the bull run off of Chris's videos, and recommended that he join the group, and I'm in love. And that's what this is about. Life-changing money, right? Look at the Leverage Trading Group. 182%, 157%, 142%, 43%, 32, 28, 27, 27, 23, 19, 13. We're killing it both ways. And that is how you change your life forever. So we're going to look for the money flow from Kucoin. I've got meters and metrics to measure where the volume goes with Kucoin. Highly likely you see a surge on MEXC, because they got 30 Bitcoin in and out. No KYC. Life-changing money happens quickly. Because the thing about MEXC is, like, you got all these small caps, and look at 156%, 135%, 83%. The money will flow to these very small micro cap and small cap coins. These are the coins that are going to do 50x, 75x, 100x. Watch. Use the VIP link in the description to get half price trading fees on MEXC. Change your life forever. I know this is a little bit different type video, because part of it was the screen share that we just had, but really inspirational talk that we had, as well as very good information that you need to know. I only captured and of putting out for you guys about 9 minutes of it, but it was about a 45-minute discussion on how we're going to dominate this market. And that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to give 110%. We're going to freaking kill it. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.